Let's look at the T command. This command acts like a T-joint connector. It takes everything that it receives on its standard input and sends it to both the standard out and also to a file. Let's say that we have a command or a script that we are executing and it generates a lot of multi-screen output, and we want to save that output in addition to viewing it on the terminal. T helps us with that. So let's look at an example. Let's say that we have a command that generates some output here, a sequence. It generates a sequence of numbers from a start to an end, and we get the output on the screen. And to save this into a file also, in addition to viewing it on the standard out, which is the terminal here, we pipe the output to T and we specify a file. And when we run this, a sequence will generate the list of numbers. It will pipe it to T, and T will receive it on its standard in, and it outs that on both the standard output, which is the terminal, and also stores it onto the file. So let's have a look at the contents of that file. And we can see that T has saved that output it received. And let's say that we want to append to the file rather than overwrite or truncate that file. We can specify that with the -a flag, and T will append to that file. And let's say that we are running the sequence command with a different range. Again, we see the output on the screen or the terminal, and let's have a look at the file. You can see that we have the previous data for the output and also the last run. So that's the T command.